Hello friends. Today we are repairing a Candy microwave. This is how it looks now. The microwave was seriously broken. The glass is peeled off. The handle is broken. The door handle is missing. The fork is cut off for some reason and two microwave legs are broken. Now I will restore all this. I am already printing the handle for opening the door on a 3D printer. This is how the handle is printed on a 3D printer. The printing will take about 6 hours. Now you can see the designed 3D model of the handle on the computer. Also, one leg was cracked. I soldered it and restored it. Of course, you can print it on a 3D printer. But why bother if the leg is not visible at all? While the handle is being printed, I will install the legs and restore the cable. I screwed the legs, picked up some screws from my stock, and now I need to restore the cord. The wire is restored. I put heat shrink on top, and this is how it turned out. Finally, the handle is printed and I have almost assembled the entire structure. All that remains is to insert the plugs for the screws, and that's it. Done. It's too late now. Let's take a closer look tomorrow at what I've got. This is what I got. It's pretty nice and looks like it was there. It opens and closes easily. The screws are covered with caps and are not visible. I screwed the pen itself on with 2 long screws. It took me quite a while to print the pen, but it was worth it. The original pen is certainly nowhere to be found. Another device repaired. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.